Assalamu alaikum 10th class. Today let's start doing the question of degrees of adjective. An adjective is a word which modifies the meaning of a noun. Adjectives can be of quality. Quality can be good or bad. Adjectives can be of number. Adjectives can be of quantity. Now there are 3 degrees of adjective. First degree is called positive degree, second degree is called comparative degree, third degree is called superlative degree. If we define a noun or if we modify the meaning of a noun without any comparison, we shall use the first degree of adjective. If comparison is made between two persons and two things, we use second degree of adjective, that is called comparative degree. And if comparison is made more than two persons and more than two things, then we use third degree or the superlative degree of adjective. To make the comparative degree, we usually use ER, and to make the superlative degree, we add EST to the first degree of adjectives. These are called regular degrees of adjectives. Sometimes we make comparative and superlative degrees with the addition of more and most, like interesting, more interesting, most interesting, intelligent, more intelligent, most intelligent. Okay, the next is some degrees of adjectives are called irregular degrees. They are quite different from one another, like good, better, best, bad, worse, worst. So adjectives are degrees of adjectives are made by E or EST, or with the addition of more and most, or by using some quite different words. The question here given is C question. Complete the sentences by supplying the correct degrees of adjectives. My family and I went to visit Murray last summer. One of all the summers I have had, I would say this was the dash. Okay, now my family and I went to visit Murray last summer. मेरे फैमिली और मैं पिछले समर को मरी के विज़िट के लिए गए. Of all the summer, जितनी दफ़ा भी गर्मियों में आई हैव हैड, जितने भी मैंने मरी के विज़िट्स किए, आई वुड से मैं एक बताता चलूँ, दिस वाज द डैश. नाउ कंपैरिजन इज़ बिटवीन more than 2 visits, the visits of the whole of his life. So we shall use the third degree of good, and the third degree of good is best. Best. I would say this was the best summer ever. The next is in Murray we enjoyed the horse ride. आई रोड मरी में क्या किया, वी इन्जॉयड द हॉर्स राइड, हमने हॉर्स राइडिंग को इन्जॉय किया. आई रोड अ हॉर्स, मैंने भी घुड़सवारी की. द ट्रेन डैश एंड डैश ऑन द हिल्स, वो घोड़ा जो कि पहाड़ियों पे तेज़ से तेज़ तर भागता चला गया. तेज़ से तेज़ तर. कॉन्टिन्यूअस इंक्रीज, कॉन्टिन्यूअस चेंज. Continuous change or increase is shown with the second degree of adjective. So we shall use here faster and faster. Faster and faster. In Murray we enjoyed the horse ride. I rode a horse that ran faster and faster on the hills. The third is we also climbed a tree. हम दरख्त पे भी चढ़े. And when I reached the highest branch, जब मैं सबसे ऊंची शाख पे पहुंचा, I was dash tired than my sister, तो मैं अपनी सिस्टर से ज़्यादा थक चुका था. Now the comparison is between two persons, I and my sisters, two persons. So we shall use second degree of adjective. To show the second degree of adjective, we shall put more. We shall put more here. More. I am unable to write it very accurately. Okay, the next is I bought a jacket which was dash expensive and my sister chose a sweater because she found it much dash to buy. It was quite dash expensive, and my sister chose a sweater because she found it much dash. Now, I bought a jacket which was quite dash. Here, jacket has no comparison with any other article. So we shall use the first degree of adjective. I bought a jacket which was quite expensive. Yes. And my sister chose a sweater, और sister ने sweater choose किया because she found it much dash to buy. अब उसने वो चूज़ किया क्योंकि उसको लगा कि ये उसको ख़रीदना निस्बतन आसान है. Now, here is the comparison between jacket and sweater. Jacket and sweater. The comparison between two things. So, we shall use the second degree of adjective, that is cheaper. Listen again. I bought a jacket which was quite expensive, and my sister chose a sweater because she found it much cheaper to buy. Cheaper to buy. The next is, after our trip I feel I am the dash boy on earth. ट्रिप के बाद मुझे यूँ लगा कि मैं इस दुनिया का सबसे खुशनसीब इंसान हूँ. तो दुनिया के साथ खुद को कंपेयर कर रहा है. द कंपैरिजन इज़ बिटवीन मोर देन टू पर्सन्स. सो वी शैल यूज़ द थर्ड डिग्री ऑफ एडजेक्टिव हियर, एंड फॉर दिस पर्पज वी शैल पुट हियर luckiest. Luckiest. For this purpose we shall use luckiest. After a trip I feel I am the luckiest boy on earth. Okay, the next is the next segment is data of the order of adjectives. That if more than one adjectives occur in one sentence, what should be their order, what should be their arrangement? First of all, we must put value, then size, then age, then shape, then color, then origin, and then material. The question here is, arrange the adjectives following the correct order. Now, we have to arrange the adjectives in the correct order. उनको अरेंज करना है, उनकी सही जो है वो हमने वो तरतीब सही बनानी है. So, we saw grey huge a dash whale in the sea. Now the noun here whale having three adjectives, grey, huge. We have to put them in order. So listen, we saw a huge grey whale in the sea. A huge grey whale in the sea. The next is Babar uses the blue medium rubber dash ball for basketball practice. For basketball ball practice, Babar uses blue medium rubber. Now, the arrangement should be medium, then blue, then rubber. Babar uses medium blue rubber ball for basketball practice. Mehreen brought few chocolate dark triangular dash bars to the birthday party. Now lot of adjectives here: triangular, dark, chocolate, few. Now their arrangement should be Mehreen bought a few triangular dark chocolate. A few triangular dark chocolate bars to the birthday party. The next is, the pyramids of Egypt are made out of rock enormous rectangular. Rock enormous rectangular. Three adjectives dash boulders. Okay, the arrangement should be, the pyramids of Egypt are made out of enormous, then rectangular, then material rock. Enormous rectangular rock boulders. The next is, Shahid can eat thin crust square 5 dash pizza slices. So Shahid can eat 5 thin crust and the material is square pizza slices. The next segment is that of adjective phrase. Now listen very carefully, because in the previous chapters we had read about noun phrase. Today is adjective phrase, and the question of phrases or clauses would certainly be added in your MCQs in your annual exams. So you must have clear understanding of different type of phrases. An adjective phrase is a group of words. क्या होता है? Group of words that functions like an adjective. काम इसका adjective का ही होता है, as it modifies the meaning of a noun. The difference is adjective जो है वो one word होता है. Phrase, adjective phrase जो होता है, it consists of more than one words. एक word से ज़्यादा होगा तो ये phrase बनेगा ना. Like द ब्लैक अम्ब्रेला इज़ माइन. ब्लैक अम्ब्रेला जो है वो मेरी है. ब्लैक इज़ एडजेक्टिव हियर, अम्ब्रेला इज़ नाउन. नाउ इन द नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस, द अम्ब्रेला विद द ब्रोकन हैंडल इज़ माइन. नाउ द क्वालिटी ऑफ अम्ब्रेला हियर इज़ वेरी लॉन्ग in a kind of, in the form of a phrase, with a broken handle, with a broken handle. So this part of sentence is qualifying the noun umbrella. So this part of sentence is an adjective phrase. Now the question given here is, pick out the adjective phrase in the each sentence. We have to sort out or pick out the adjective phrases, the adjective part of phrases in the sentences. The first is, he bore a banner with a strange device. Now banner is a noun. उसने एक बैनर पकड़ा हुआ था, और वो भी एक अजीबोगरीब डिवाइस के साथ. सो व्हाट इज़ द क्वालिटी ऑफ बैनर हियर? द क्वालिटी ऑफ बैनर हियर इज़ दैट दिस बैनर had a strange device. So the adjective phrase here is with a strange device. The next is, the principal of the school is on leave. Noun is principal, and what is the quality of principal? That the principal here is the principal of the school. So of this school is the adjective phrase. The next is, the decision of judges is final. Okay, the decision of judges का फैसला जो था वो क्या था? फाइनल था. So adjective phrase here is the decision of judges. Now listen again. Decision, and what is the quality of decision? The decision is particularly belonging to the judges. So here adjective phrase is decision of judges. The next is, the tops of mountains were covered with snow. The tops here are the noun, and their quality is that they were of the mountains. The tops of mountains were covered with snow. Of the mountains is an adjective phrase. The runner in the rear did not qualify. The runner in the rear, the runner is a noun here, and what is his quality? That he is in the rear. The runner in the rear. So the phrase in the rear is an adjective phrase. The next is future indefinite tense. In future indefinite tense, we use will or shall. Shall is used with I and we, and all the other subjects carry will with them. Now what we have to do here is put in will or be going to in these sentences. Here or be going to. A, we don't have any bread. हमारे पास bread नहीं है. B, I know I dash get some from the shop. मुझे पता है और मैं शॉप से लेने जा रहा हूँ. So I am going to get some from the shop. The next is, we don't have any bread. Oh really? I dash get some from the shop then. सही बात है, ब्रेड नहीं है. I dash get some from the shop then. तो मैं बाज़ार से कुछ ले आऊँगा. Here we shall use will. I am going to here and I will. Why do you need to borrow my suitcase? Why do you need to borrow my suitcase? तुम्हें क्यों ज़रूरत है मेरा सूटकेस उधार मांगने की? तुम्हें क्यों ज़रूरत है? The answer is B. I dash visit my mother in मुल्तान next month. क्योंकि अगले महीने मैं अपनी मदर से मिलने जा रहा हूँ. I am going to visit my mother in मुल्तान next month. The next is, I am really cold. मुझे काफ़ी सही मायनों में मुझे ठंड लग रही है. B. I dash turn the heating on. तो मैं हीटिंग जो है उसको ऑन कर देता हूँ. I will turn the heating on. Are you going to जमशेद्स wedding tonight? क्या तुम आज जमशेद की शादी पे जा रहे हो? Yes. Are you going to? क्या तुम भी जा रहे हो? I dash give you a lift. तो मैं तुम्हें लेता जाऊँगा. So I will give you a lift. Are you busy today? क्या तुम आज बिज़ी हो? Would you like to have coffee? कॉफ़ी लेना पसंद करोगे? Sorry. I dash go to library. I am going to library. I have been planning to study all day. Why are you carrying a hammer? तुम हथौड़ा क्यों लेके जा रहे हो? I dash put up some pictures. मैं कुछ पिक्चर जो हैं उनको हैंग अप करूँगा, उनको मैं लटकाऊँगा. So I will put up some pictures. So here was the use of will and going to. The next segments are about oral communication skills and writing skills that are not required for our lecture at this level.